beefing with me, Lord?
I ain't beefing with you.
What's the deal?
Stop on TV show.
Hey.
Nah, I mean, I agree. If you mature enough and you know what I'm saying, and y'all have great communication skills, and you tell your significant other, look, I slipped up, right? Things got a little hectic or whatever the situation was, and this happened. I just thought you should know. And it's all about how, you know, y'all feeling towards each other. If he or she is willing to forgive you, then more power to y'all. But we all know it's going to be a little trust broken, to honestly speak, because, you know, you crossed that line that maybe y'all see y'all not supposed to cross in y'all relationship. And earlier we was on Uvo with our friend Dario, and he brought up the same thing I just said, like it's gonna be trust broken. And he was like, the next time, he said, this is what he said, a person that cheats is always bound to cheat again.
Now, I didn't agree with that. I feel like if you cheat and you willing to forgive, I feel that you should leave the past behind. Ain't no point to keep throwing it in your face, because if that's the case, you might as well just end a relationship. But if you're going to forgive that person, you should be like, okay, I'm giving you a clean slate. Just don't do it no more. And it's not guaranteed that that person always going to be a cheater. But I feel some things that makes a relationship go downhill is miscommunication. Like, okay, like, oh yeah, I'm busy or something, and you think I can read your mind. I'm not no psychic. I don't know what you think you tell me. If you want to know something, ask me. I will tell you. Like, that's a big one that makes things go terrible. Yeah.
I mean, that's basically what a relationship is built on: communication skills and trust skills. If you ain't got trust in your relationship, if you don't have great communication skills in your relationship, it really, there's no point of being in your relationship.
Woo. Yeah. But I want some comments and some opinions about why y'all think relationships go downhill, because I don't think it's all about cheating, because like you can forgive and forget.
I mean, but hey, that's the truth.
And it's ugly.
The ugly truth.
Don't forget us to hit us up with comments about why y'all think relationships go downhill. Deuces.